You're carrying the wrong bag, and it's costing you compliments every single day. Your outfit can be perfect, your hair done, everything on point, but the wrong bag pulls the whole look down without you even realizing it. The right handbag doesn't just hold your stuff, it makes people stop and ask, "Where did you get that?" These are the bags that do exactly that. Structured, clean, and the kind that turns heads without trying too hard. No loud logos, no over-the-top designs, just bags that speak for themselves. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to look like you did. Subscribe so you never miss a bag drop like this.